Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video, we are talking all about clean home habits. So I just wanted to share a few tips and tricks of things I do to keep a clean home. I know for a lot of you, you come on here to get motivation and inspiration on cleaning and just to give you that little boost of energy to get things done. So I just wanted to share a few things that I do to just maintain a clean home overall, and I try my best to make it as simple as possible. So the first thing I want to talk about is, of course, always make your bed. One, it'll encourage you not to get back in it, but also just to make the space look a lot tidier and cleaner. And it's almost like a ripple effect of once you get started in regards to making your bed, it makes it a little bit easier to complete that next task. And the next thing I want to talk about is always do like a 5-minute pickup or maybe a 15-minute pickup, and you can do this in the evening or in the morning. I like to do it in the morning just because that's when I have the most energy, but a lot of people do it at night as well. What I like to do is just do like a morning cleaning routine, but one thing I would recommend is if you are super overwhelmed with cleaning is to definitely set a timer. That will help you out tremendously. Just see what you can get done in 20 minutes, and once that 20 minutes is up, just go ahead and stop, let it go, and go on with your day. I would definitely recommend to do some type of pickup, whether it's 5, 10, or 20 minutes. Another simple task is just to open your blinds. Definitely let some of that sunlight in. I don't know, it just makes your space feel a lot more cleaner and brighter. And then also sometimes I feel like once your blinds are open, it just motivates you to get things done throughout the house. You know, if you have a dark, warm house, I guess you can say cozy house, it'll definitely make you feel like you just want to cozy up on the couch and not do much, which is definitely okay. But if it's one of those days that you really want to get something done and you want to maintain that clean home and you have things on your to-do list, I would definitely recommend opening your blinds. It definitely helps a ton. If you leave here with only one thing, I would definitely recommend this statement of less is more. And I actually seen someone post that less is everything. And I really love that statement just because in order to keep a clean home or maintain a clean home to where it's much more simple is to declutter and reorganize your space. And I know I am not the first person you've probably heard that from, but it is very true. And I will highly recommend for you to go through that journey and maybe pick one space to tackle a month, or one space to tackle every several weeks if that's what you want to do. But with the new year coming up, I would definitely recommend to go through those spaces and declutter and reorganize. It will make cleaning so much simpler, as well as it will take up so much less time in regards to cleaning up, which will motivate you even more to get things done. I have a ton of organization and decluttering videos on my channel. I will link some of them down below, but definitely check those out. There's a lot of motivation on YouTube as well, but I will highly recommend to go ahead and declutter and reorganize your space, and it will make your cleaning habits so much more easier. Another thing I want to talk about is to have some type of routine in regards to detail cleaning. Now, I know that just sounds sort of cliche, but definitely have where Monday you're tackling all your floors, Tuesday you're detail cleaning your bathrooms, Wednesday you're doing the living room, Thursday you're doing your bedrooms. I would highly recommend to have some type of schedule. That way you're not spending one day detail cleaning your entire house, which can be very overwhelming, which will cause you not to get things done. So highly recommend to have some type of schedule, write it down. Once you do it for about a month or so, you won't even have to go back to that to-do list, and you'll just know that each day is something to tackle, and that just makes it so much easier for you too, in regards to not wanting to spend the whole day just detail cleaning and dreading that day, but more of I'm going to spend every day just getting 1% better in regards to tackling my home and keeping it clean. So one thing I have learned to master that I would highly recommend you to try to master as well, have some type of routine within your cleaning routine. So make sure that whenever you are in the bedroom and you have items that don't belong in the bedroom, that maybe belong in the kitchen, take those items in the kitchen, leave them in the kitchen, don't mess with them, and then come back to the bedroom and finish. So it's really important to stay focused throughout cleaning, just because it'll make it a lot easier and a lot faster as well. So I would highly recommend to try to master that. I have seen some people use the basket method. So just take a basket with you into each room, and items that don't belong in that room, put them in the basket. And then once you get to the room where the items belong, then you can just, of course you'll have that basket with you to put those items back. I would definitely recommend trying to master that, because it will make cleaning so much simpler. The last tip I want to talk about in regards to clean home habits is to make sure to vacuum daily. I would definitely recommend, just especially if you have carpets, just to go ahead once you tidy that space in your cleaning routine, to go ahead and tidy those floors. Now, as far as sweeping and mopping the other floor, I would definitely recommend doing the kitchen daily. However, all the other spaces, maybe choose one day throughout the week or 2 days throughout the week to detail clean those floors. And what I use is a vacuum mop gadget, which is by Tenco, and it is definitely a life changer. So I would recommend grabbing some type of gadget like this to make your life so much simpler in regards to detail cleaning the floors. One, it doesn't break your back, and two, it is so much faster to vacuum and mop at the same time than to do it separately, which will encourage you to make this a habit. So I would definitely recommend to purchase a gadget within your home that will make your life so much simpler in regards to cleaning. And one, like I said, it will motivate you to get it done, but also you'll have a clean floors, which will make your house look so much more cleaner. hope you guys enjoyed this clean home habits video. I hope it inspired you to get something done today, or just to simply create your cleaning routine. Don't forget to take some of these tips and apply it to your home, and it will make cleaning so much easier for you. And just remember, it doesn't have to be complicated to have a clean space. Like I said, I have so many more motivating videos on my channel, and I would love for you to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.